Go to the hut, go to the hut.
He's got to be hit. There's no way he's not hit.
Yeah, that was coming, wasn't it?
He's hit, he's hit.
Move.
Whoa. Fucking hell.
Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new video, and in this one, the DARC squad has been assigned its toughest mission yet. D.A.R.C has been redeployed to Gunman Airsoft's Camp Bravo in an attempt to set a new site time. Our mission, push through the village on the plateau, clear out any retreating enemies in the bunker, and finally, take control of the enemy outposts, ensuring that all remaining threats have been neutralised. And if this wasn't hard enough, we're doing all of this whilst on the clock. So stay tuned to see if we manage to clear the 25-minute benchmark that was set to us in the brief.
Oh. On the left. On this one. In there.
To the right of him, on a barricade, then a tree. No, he's ducked at the moment. I can't see him right now. Josh, can you see anyone else to the left?
Yeah, there's someone on the...
We need to get rid of that person, really.
Moving. Hit! Good shot.
Do you trade?
Yeah. Moving into this bunker.
Next hut along. Left side of window.
Got him.
Not the guy in the hut though. Jingo, on your left. In that hut, in that building. Still there.
Got him. Move up, come to me.
Yeah, I wanted to see if I could get this.
Where this white barrel is, the tree, there's a little window just through here.
Yeah, you can shoot him.
Yeah. I'm moving.
Yeah,
he's moved. Still there. Hit! Good shot!
He's hit. I got him.
He's in the back hut now. Dog, you can probably move up to the next bit.
Left hand side of main building and behind. Oh, hit! Fuck me, I didn't see him.
Hit!
After a quick start, the we're getting bogged down trying to clear this village. If we don't come up with a plan soon, this mission's over before it started.
Dog, I'm coming to you. What's it looking like?
No, don't.
I'm doing it.
Right, he's still on that white barrel above this little barricade here.
Yeah.
And then to the left.
Yeah, he's on that back door in here.
No, there's a kid on the left on the floor. I shot him and he went, oh! And then, like.
Who's that pushing out left? There's someone at the back there. I'm going to try and swing it to these blue barrels and.
Oh, over there?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck him.
I'm going to try and swing it right. He's still over there. He's behind on the. He's holding that angle.
No, I know. There's two of them.
I'm going to put shots in. You move. Just watch your left side, yeah? I'm coming to you. Moving. Still that?
Yeah, I got him. I got that kid there.
No, there's still the one on the corner.
Where? Right, yeah, on the corner of the building. Yeah.
Of the
We want to take that building on the left. We're going to get cropped. The back corner of what? Okay, thank you. The back corner of my fucking arsehole, maybe.
Do you hold your father responsible for what you've become?
Hit! Good shot. I got hit there.
Hit!
Got him. I got him, dog. I got him.
Still one further back. I don't know how we didn't get killed.
Go on further back, I think. Yeah, go on. Yeah. Oh, hang on. Back building.
I'm getting shot.
Dog, watch your. I was literally about to call out. Sorry. Is he still on that?
Mate, that thing fucking wrecks. I don't know who it is. It's really fucking hurts. This is shit. We just can't push it. We just can't do it. Get shot in the face. No, we can't. The angle's too good. And because of this, we're shooting offhand. It's difficult.
Whoa. Sniper on the left. I'm going to the Jeep. Hang on, I don't know where the sniper's got the angle from though. Can hear it, can't see it. I'll come to you, you go to the Jeep. Hang on, I'll put shots in. I'm going to the thing.
Push with you. I want to get on that flank.
I know, I got killed in here already.
Keep moving, keep moving. Are you getting shot at? Oh, shit, yeah, he's left hand on a tree, furthest right.
I can't see him there, I can just see his TV.
By the mound, by the mound.
By the mount.
Over there.
Got him.
Stop, stop, stop. Hit! Good shots.
Yeah, nice shot. Hit!
Jingo, to the right of that black, blue, brown pallet, there's some barrels, and he's back there in the shrubs. Yeah, I'll try and deal with it. Try and get onto this barricade with a slit in it, or the one to the left. The next one, just move up, just move up.
We've managed to push through the village and we're advancing on the trenches. However, we're going to need to clear this quick if we're going to beat this time.
Got him. Move, move, move now, move now, move now. Go, go, go. Go to the hut, go to the hut.
Another one.
Good, 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 good. Keep going, keep going. Watch out, there might be people on the left side of this hut. Yeah, go, 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 go.
Wait, Vince, there's an LMG in the bunker in the cutout.
Okay,
Right to your 1 o'clock, maybe 2 o'clock.
okay,
There he is, he's dead, he's dead.
okay, good, good.
They're still...
You're actually doing this quite fast, guys. I'm actually surprised.
In the dugout! In the little cubby hole, murder hole thing.
Let's move up. 2 men left. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Look, left, left, go, move, move, move. Use the left tree, use the left tree. Move up. Maybe one alive left, maybe one. Get that pistol ready! Lewis! Don't think it's clear.
In the building?
Yeah. I don't think it's clear. I saw 2.
Shut up. Shut. Well done, buddy.
Got him.
Walk off the hill. My hill! Get off it!
Whoa. Got him, got him, got him. Just watch these, the tree line bushes. Yeah, that was coming, wasn't it? That was coming.
There's a big tree just there, and there's a ditch there. So if we get in that ditch, you'll be fine. Yeah. In fact, I can see him. Yeah, he's gonna shoot me. You've got to PK. We've got to do something, Jingo, while I'm getting shot at. Can you see him?
No, no eyes.
Woo! Can you see the guy taking shots at me? Oh. Can anyone see the guy taking shots at me?
Sorry, dude.
He's moving, moving, moving.
It's too good. Can't see your arm. Everybody watch your hip taking, please. Everyone.
Got him. Alright, let's move, let's move, let's move. I'm gonna try and go down into that. On your back. Have we got banded on our right?
Over here. He's hit. You hit. Dead man? Yeah, good. Right, let's go. Left, left, left. That way.
Thanks to Dog's rapid flank, D.A.R.C has quickly taken the trenches and can attack down the hill for the final objective.
Further than that bush.
So no one should be on our right, so move up. Get to Vince. No one's going to be there.
Don't know where from. Josh, you got any eyes? Anything? Oh, he was right there.
He wasn't supposed to be there.
Oh.
Right, spawn is out the bottom of the hill.
Someone in the tower.
To the right of the base.
Tower.
He's got to be hit. There's no way he's not hit. That guy's cheating.
That's where the spawn is, we got to push up.
Right, there you go, he's hit.
Alright. I'm moving to this thing just there. Hit! Woo! That's all right. We need to get to that. We need to get to that pallet. That one and this one that I just went to. Doing a fucking lot of running, man. See what I'm doing?
Go around there.
Can I go round? Right?
Yeah, go around that way. Got one, got one. Move, get on the tree, move around with Vince. Vince, get to the barrels. In the window, bottom. In the window.
He's still there. He's coming, he's coming.
Right, let's attack the fort, let's go.
He's back in at the back. Got one, got one. No, there's still another one there.
I don't know if I got him. No.
No eyes, I can't pop. Yeah, still there.
Don't peek, don't peek. I think I hit him.
Still there. Whoa, watch out.
Yeah, he's still there. Yeah, can you get shots on this guy? Right side. Vince, you need to move just to the left ever so slightly. So I can pick up that up and down. Hit! Whoa!
Push it, push it, push it!
Fucking hell!
Alright, we're up, we're through.
And the final whistle goes. You can see we smashed the target. Some great moves from the D.A.R.C boys, and a big shout out to everyone on our team that day. If you've enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment with any sites you think we should try out next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Going dark.